I told about interesting facts about the wilderness and wildlife in the previous video, and today's topic is facts about human injuries and fatalities caused by wildlife in the US. Facts about human injuries and fatalities caused by wildlife in the US. The numbers provided here are a scientific estimate of the annual number of people injured or killed in the United States after being bitten or attacked by wildlife, involved in a wildlife vehicle collision, or sickened by a zoonotic disease. The data was put together by scientists and researchers. This is their best guess of the real situation, and the exact numbers might differ, because not all people have sought medical assistance after the animal encounter. Causes 1. Snakes, non-venomous. Injured or sickened. 6,135. Death. 0. Causes 2. Snakes, venomous. Injured or sickened. 7,000. Death. 6. Causes 3. Alligators. Injured or sickened. 9. Death. 1. Causes 4. Reptiles, excluding snakes. Injured or sickened. 1,050. Death. Data not available. Causes 5. Birds, excluding parrots. Injured or sickened. 1,594. Death. 0. Causes 6. Bats. Injured or sickened. 1,335. Death. 0. Causes 7. Rodents. Injured or sickened. 27,000. Death. 0. Causes 8. Opossum. Injured or sickened. 375. Death. 0. Causes 9. Skunk. Injured or sickened. 750. Death. 0. Causes 10. Raccoons. Injured or sickened. 1,310. Death. 0. Causes 11. Foxes. Injured or sickened. 500. Death. 0. Causes 12. Coyotes. Injured or sickened. 9. Death point 0.1. Causes 13. Wolves. Injured or sickened. 0.7. Death. 0.1. Causes 14. Cougars. Injured or sickened. 3.3. Death. 0.3. Causes 15. Black bears. Injured or sickened. 25. Death. 0.3. Causes 16. Grizzly bears. Injured or sickened. 0.8. Death. Data not available. Causes 17. Polar bears. Injured or sickened. 0.1. Death. 0. Causes 18. Bison. Injured or sickened. 1.7. Death. 0. Causes 19. Elk. Injured or sickened. 3. Death. 0. 20. All bites and attacks. Injured or sickened. 47,102. Death. 7.8. 21. Deer vehicle collisions. Injured or sickened. 58,622. Death. 440. 22. Moose vehicle collisions. Injured or sickened. 640. Death. 6. 23. Bird vehicle collisions. Injured or sickened. 10. Death. 1. 24. All causes. Injured or sickened. 174,899. Death. 708. Although most people are usually afraid of bears or wolves while hiking in the wilderness, predators tend to avoid people and hardly cause any harm to humans. Deer, on the other hand, cause the majority of accidents and fatalities, but these occur on the road. The most dangerous animals in the US are farm animals and pets. 25. Cows kill on average 20 people per year. 26. While dogs are responsible for 28 yearly human fatalities. If you're ever worried about being killed by an animal, I have some more facts that will make you want to spend more time among grizzlies rather than humans. In the United States alone, over 37,000 people die in road crashes each year, and an additional 2.35 million are injured or disabled in a car accident. In 2018, the estimated number of murders in the United States was 16,214. I'd say you are safer in the wilderness than out in the city. Source: digitalcommons.usu.edu, murderucr.fbi.gov, acirt.org. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for next upcoming video. Thanks for to the watching video.